How ordinary cans can add originality to your home. Get inspired. Have you painted a bench or bought compote for a pie? You've probably ended up with empty cans after them, which don't have to end up in the trash. I started looking for ideas when empty cans from baby milk started piling up at home. I gathered 2 large bags of them and began to search for ways to use them. I couldn't believe all the things you can make with empty cans. From home decorations, wind chimes, lights, and toys, to baking molds. Check out this collection of ideas that might come in handy for you too, and get inspired on how to make the most of yours.